Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to replace the blinker flasher with one from Amazon, 6 volts for these bikes. Let's see if it's going to work. But this one here don't work at all. I'll take the seat off. Take the gas line off the gas tank. Take the volt here off. Gas tank should slide back. Lift up on it, slide right back. Here's the relay. I had it hooked up, it don't work. There is a positive and negative lead on it, so you can hook it up backwards. There's 3 wires, but only to use 2. Don't use the green wire. Okay, put the key on. It's working. This relay was a little smaller than the original one, so I added electrical tape around it, and then it fits in the rubber. So if you hook up these wires backwards, your blinker won't blink, it'll just stay solid. So just reverse the leads on it, it'll work good. So I'm gonna put the tank on. All right, that relay was like under 10 bucks on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. All right, if you like this video, press thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel. Click below. Thank you for watching.